Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Ford Focus and updated. Start by seating yourself properly, adjusting mirrors, and checking surroundings before you start the engine. Learn to feel the clutch bite point and coordinate throttle with smooth release. Practice shifting through gears gently, keeping revs steady and steering relaxed. I will also cover simple performance tips, safe cornering basics, and when to use sport features to enjoy the car safely. In this section, we focus on clutch control and shifting techniques for the Focus SD. Begin by fully pressing the clutch, select the gear, then release smoothly while adding throttle to avoid stalling. For downshifts, blip the throttle to match revs and reduce drivetrain shock. Practice heel and toe only when comfortable, and prioritize smoothness over speed until the motions are second nature. These habits protect the car and improve lap and street drive. Mastering corners and braking makes the Focus SD feel confident and predictable on road or track. Brake in a straight line, settle the car, then steer in with controlled inputs to hit the apex. Gradually add throttle as you unwind the wheel to stabilize weight transfer and traction. Practice trail braking lightly only after basics are solid. These techniques help you carry speed safely while keeping the car balanced and composed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.